Hello my beauties. On today's video I share with you this beautiful V-part glueless wig from ELFINHAIR. The package came in this beautiful pink box. This is the actual unit and some extras. We always need wig caps, and they also added a pair of lashes, a beautiful edge brush. It has a combination of a brush and a comb as well as the spatula, and then a red tail comb, which I use right away to part my hair, combing it all the way to the back, and then cut out a small section which I'm going to use as my leave out for this V-part install. I then slick down all the hair all the way to the back and leave some small sections on the side to further blend with the wig unit. Slick all that hair down and tie it into a low ponytail to get the hair out of the way. And as you can see, I'm ready to start with this unit. I put on my wig cap just to protect my hair. I then go ahead and plait the leave out just to create some texture and a bit of a curl pattern to my straight hair so that it can blend easily with my kinky curls. Doesn't even need to be anything serious. We're just trying to get that little curl pattern created. And then there she is, the girl of the moment, the girl of the hour, my glueless V-part wig. It is Kinky curls, 20 inches long, and the inches are inching as well as the curls are curling. The hair feels really soft, but not to a point where I feel like it's not manageable. It feels really natural. And that's the inside of the unit. We have the securing comb at the center, and then one at the back, as well as on both sides of your face, your left and right. And on the V part, we have the clip-in combs that help secure the wig in the parting section. Another look at those curls. They bounce right back. Beautiful, beautiful. Then I go on to put on the wig, starting with the back section, inserting that comb under the stocking and in my hair. And I do the same thing on the sides of my face. I feel like the stocking makes it even more secured. And then the mid section. I could have pulled the stocking a bit further back, but I make it work. This is the section with the clip-in combs. I feel these are quite secured without hurting my scalp. I was a bit worried before installing, but I love how soft and relaxed they are on my scalp and on my hair, because remember, this should be a protective style. So I just continue to secure that, making sure I'm fully satisfied with where it is, as I had left just one tiny row of hair in front so that the layers and the stitching of the hair does not show. And then I take off that twisted section that I had twisted just now and split it into two to cover those sections that have the combs as well as my stocking. I then go on to comb out that small row of hair in front that I had left to conceal the wig stitching. To further blend the hair, I twist my own hair in between the curls to conceal the difference in texture, and then I go on to put on some hair mousse. This to further redefine the curls, blend my own hair with the unit, as well as eliminate any flyaway hairs. separate the entire head of hair with the mousse so that I can get the same pattern from back to front. I also scrunch the hair, making sure that I do not straighten out these curls. I want to maintain this pattern because it's beautiful. And then I go back to those edges to sleek them down. I feel like with curly hair, edges make it even more natural looking. I'm also delighted to tell you that I have a $10 discount code on the ELFINHAIR website. The code is ZDV. You can use it for your discount. And just like that, we have finished this look. This is a very mandatory step. You step back and admire the gorgeous curls. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you on my next one. I love you. God bless you.